Hi friends, since many of you are requested to record a video on trade setup for the intraday option trading, let me show you quickly the demo. You need to select, just me take the pen. So you need to go to chart, then click on point and figure. Here we need to open both call and put Nifty option. So you need to select FNO and select add the strike Nifty options, which is 15,000 Nifty 15,800 call, and we need to make it 1%. Click on OK. And this is a daily chart. We need to convert it to 1 minute chart, and for that you need to press I on your keyboard. Now this is the 1 minute chart for the Nifty call. Similarly, we need to open the Nifty put. For that we need to go to point and figure, then select FNO, select put Nifty 29 July put 15,800, and we need to select 1%. Click on OK, and again we need to convert into 1 minute chart. Press I on your keyboard. Now this call and put chart is open. I need to go to add the total open interest. For that you need to click total open interest. Similarly, we need to add both total open interest for call and put. So we need to select Nifty 15,800 call and Nifty 15,800 put. And strike difference should be 50 and number of symbols should be 6. Click on OK. Now this is the total open interest. We need to convert it to 5 minutes. For 5 minutes you need to click on V on your keyboard. All shortcuts are available here. If you click on view, these are all shortcuts for different time frame. Okay. And we need to go to add study, and we need to add the double moving average. Click OK. So this is the double moving average plotted on the total open interest of Nifty chart. Similarly, we need to add the total open interest for Bank Nifty. So click on total open interest, select the Bank Nifty at the money strike, which is Bank Nifty 35,000 call and Bank Nifty 35,000 put. So here the strike difference would be 100, as Bank Nifty traded as 100 strike difference. So click OK and convert this chart to the 5 minute time interval. Press V on your keyboard, then go to add study, then add double moving average on it. Click OK. So now double moving average is plotted on the total open interest of Bank Nifty chart. So go to window, then click on tile vertical. So these 4 charts should be ready before the opening of the market at 9:15. Then you need to see the position of the total open interest. If it is above moving average, you need to see the call chart, and if it is below moving average, you need to see the put chart. Just one caution: in both the moving average of Nifty and Bank Nifty should be above the moving average, so that you need to see the call chart. If it is any divergence, for example Nifty on 23rd July, sorry, in the last trading date, which is 23rd July I believe. So if the moving average is below, Nifty moving average was below Nifty total open interest was below the moving average, and Bank Nifty total open interest was above the moving average. So in that case you need not to take any trade. Both the moving average would be in one direction, either up or down. For example, here both the moving average was in the same direction. You need to see the call chart, and in call chart you need to see you need to just draw the intraday line. So the market opens here in this okay, the market opens here. Okay, see there is a low pole formation in this chart. and the entry should be as per the local entry should be here. But see, after giving entry it and your stop loss should be here. After giving the entry it hit our stop loss. Why it hit our stop loss? Because at that time during this formation the total open interest was not in sync. So again there is another local during 11 AM in the morning. So here you see this is the local and this is our entry. So after giving entry it didn't come to our local stop loss. Our stop loss is here and it gave us target, because here both the open interest of Nifty and Bank Nifty was in the same direction. So therefore you need to see this setup. Okay, hope this is clear. If you have still doubt, please ask me in the comment section or raise me question in the Telegram. I will try to clarify your doubts. So thank you.